and you're going to see a lot of this floating around on social media today, which is, of course, a very good thing because it's a really serious outlook. We do have a strong possibility of having a tornado outbreak in this area today. But I want to talk a little bit more about the high risk. What exactly does it mean? How rare is it? Well, on average, you'll get around one, maybe two of these a year. Sometimes you go, several years without a high risk. Sometimes you'll have several of them in a year. But in general, you don't see this very often, and especially this far to the south. I mean, generally, if a high risk is to be issued, it's going to be much farther toward the north than this. There's actually been no high risk in Georgia since 2009, and this is the first ever high risk that's been issued for Florida. So, yeah, this is very, very far south. Now, as far as January goes, having a setup like this for severe weather, a high risk has not been issued in January in almost 20 years. So this is actually kind of a very rare day that we're looking at here today. I just want to put this in perspective for you a little bit. What is a high risk? Okay. So basically, if you look at these bottom 2 points here, tornado outbreak, derecho. A derecho is basically a really big, long-lasting line of storms that produces damaging wind. They'll issue a high risk if they think this is going to happen. They will also issue a high risk if they think there's going to be a tornado outbreak. That's what they're expecting today, so take it seriously.